What's up, everybody? I'm here with Daniel, and we have some very special announcements to give you guys on the NugSmasher app and the new update and the update to Tur Files, which is insane. Ramp mode's now in Tur Files, so you can really put all your extraction details in there in terms of the start and end pressure, temperature, duration, and all that stuff. So adding to Tur Files for you guys. Thanks for your support out there. I know everybody that actively uses it loves it. A lot more to come. But today we're here with the NugSmasher Pro IQ and the NugSmasher IQ and the new app. And we're going to go ahead and link the app to the machines, quickly walk you guys through the new Tur Files and what it has to offer. And that's what we're doing, right?
Yeah. Definitely.
Stay tuned, check it out. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the app. Is that fair to say? Okay. So I'm going to go to the NugSmasher app here.
In the side menu, you want to go to look for a remote control to look before.
I'll go over here to remote control in the side menu.
Yep.
Okay, so now it says register machine.
Yep. So in your settings here, you're going to go to your settings.
Okay, we'll go to settings.
Okay, you already actually got it on the Tur Files screen there,
Okay.
but Tur Files where you want to go.
Right here.
Yep.
Do we need to make sure it's updated or anything like that first?
Should be on the latest version of the software. If they're mismatched, though, it'll actually tell you that you need an update too as well. So it'll actually inform you if you need an update.
All right. So guys, yeah, you heard it. You might as well update it now while it's available.
Yeah.
It gives you the new interface, especially the IQ users. Gives you a brand new interface. It is really badass. So make sure you update it. So we're going to go to Tur Files and link our Tur Files and then register machine.
Yep, hit the plus button on that.
We just hit the plus button, and what do we just
hit the little scan, that little
This thing?
Yep, and then the camera should pick up the QR code.
Okay.
And you just hit register,
Register that machine.
and then now you're linked to that machine.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Here I am. This is the machine.
Yep.
All right. Sweet. Same. And I link that machine too.
Sure can, yeah. Same
Okay.
process. So go to
So
settings
I'm
over
gonna
here.
hit over here, remote control. Oops. Hit the plus.
Yep, and then just do the
This
scan there
little guy.
again.
Okay. Register that. Okay, so now I have an IQ Pro and an IQ machine,
Yes.
and this can control the machine.
You can
Oh,
set parameters,
badass.
yeah.
Okay.
So we can go back to the screen so you can see it live here. But if you change anything here, you can change.
Okay, so I could change the time to like 6 minutes.
Sure.
Oops, not 66. Okay,
6 minutes, yeah.
and I could change my start and end. Okay, so I can, okay, I'm on ramp mode, so I can change my start temperature,
Yep.
start pressure, start end pressure, start end temperature. Okay, so I can hit start temperature at 120 or 90. I could even start my temp at 90.
Yep.
Okay.
See it set there at 90.
End it at 175. I'll go for that. And start my pressure at 25 psi. Is that?
You can go as low as that on this machine here.
on
yeah.
on the IQ.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sizes, it's really
Yeah. Okay.
small,
So
yeah.
25. So I'm gonna end it at 450. I'm gonna start it at 25.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start at 90 and 25. What do you think about that? I might go 7 minutes because I'm doing something crazy.
So you're just changing the Pro IQ, can you do them both at once?
Yeah. So here's the other one. That's a
Yeah,
good
so
question.
If you
So-
take, for example, you have other multiple machines. If you take one of them and hold in that top bar there, and it goes in that low mode, you drag it onto the other one. Yeah, right there. Yeah, just let it go there. Okay. It puts it underneath it, as you can see. And now these two machines, if you change anything now, they should sync up. So, like, change it back on the parameters and see if it should pull in all the. See, they're both now 7.
it just did everything except for the pressure.
Didn't? Yeah, I only changed.
Won't
what
do
we
the pressure
changed here.
because you can't do it. You can only do 100 on this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Start end 450. Okay, can I put my surface area in on this too?
Yeah. So it should be on the bottom there, the height and the width.
Damn.
Yeah.
So I can make my surface area measurement right here.
Yeah. See, you did 4x2. That's 8 there.
And that did the same.
Yes.
Okay, so I made this the slave and I'm doing that. Now I can take it out of that too, so
You
it's
can,
not the
yeah.
slave anymore, right?
Just take it and drag it out and just bring it out. Yep.
Just like this?
Just like that. And now it's its own machine again. It'll reconnect and now it's on its own.
Oh,
You can
man.
drag as many as you want underneath there. So you can have, 10 machines underneath.
And
one
I can
machine
just
and
start
control.
this machine anytime
You
I
can,
want.
yeah. By hitting the start button, yeah. So it's in hash mode, so just wait for temperature to go.
Waits
before it
for our
starts.
temperature.
You can see it's in start mode though. It's in
Yeah,
that
hit
mode
the
now.
temperature, and I can hit start on this one too if I wanted to.
You
right?
can, yes. Yeah, that one started too.
So once the temperature reaches 90, this thing's going to start and do its thing. So if I had it loaded up, I could just do that.
You could.
All day long. You have somebody loading these. That's pretty badass.
Plus, having your settings all the same across all the machines, so you can
Sure.
load them in for the day, and you're doing all that same run. You don't have to worry about any changing them. You can also lock them down too. That little lock icon there. If you tap that, you put a pin number in there, and that locks your machine down.
Your settings.
Yeah. So now they can't change like the different parameters
On the machine.
on the machine. Yeah. So you just lock this one. Looks like you lock the IQ.
My bad.
Yeah, because it has a little icon.
I
now.
did.
So yeah,
I
I
did.
can't. Now I can't change.
Okay, got it. Damn, I'm gonna lock this one too.
I can start and stop it still. I can still do that. That makes sense, right? You want
Sure, but
something-
you can't change any of the operations.
you can't.
So there you have it, the lock feature as well, you guys.
And what's neat about that
Badass.
too, say for example, you lock it, but then your phone's somewhere else. You have a PIN number you set originally,
Mm-hmm.
right? So if you tap on this, you put your PIN number that you set on your phone,
Right.
and you can unlock it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There you go. You're back on what?
I think I did something else.
There you go. It's unlocked. Was it the same on this one?
Yeah,
1, 2,
same
3?
one.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, guys.
Nothing locked
Major features. Wow, badass. Now we also have Tur Files that's completely different too, right?
Yeah, so the major addition to Tur Files really changed is the addition of ramp recipes. So you can
Got
store your starting and your end pressures. It's starting the hash mode here. Yeah. I stopped this one when I was playing with
Got
it,
it.
so.
This machine, it's actually, you can't hear it, guys, but it's actually moving. The action up and down on this machine is controlled by a PID loop that's written by our computer engineer, right?
Yeah.
And it's pretty amazing. It adjusts to what you're doing and how fast you need it to go. But definitely you don't want to slam your material at this point with all this pressure this thing has. This is just an absolute amazing machine. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this. Bring it back down. You can move the screen all the way out on this machine, as you can see, so I can get behind it and jars and whatever I wanted to, all the way over to the side if I wanted to, or back around, and then magnets back on the front. It's really nice. It has a ton of features, NugSmasher Pro IQ, but the main feature is that variable speed motor on these great big plates with 3 sides completely open. Really, this is a big solventless shop's dream. So if you move a lot of solventless or filter a lot of bubble, and you need to make a lot of solventless rosin, this is the machine to do it on. Let me tell you, and a lot of it. So, but the machine just has so many features. Like you can see, the app is just incredible. If we're in Tur Files now, Daniel, we can get into Tur Files and basically move through all of the start-stop times here.
What's new on this page is the additional data we're storing, right? All the different,
Right.
you can have your start in pressure and your end temperature.
So isolate, decarb, hash.
So if you choose hash, for example,
Okay.
you'll be able to have those extra fields.
My material, you could select. You can select a rating for the material. Material type is hash. You can put the grower in, which is great because you know how that varies.
Sure.
THC percentage you can put in, CBD percentage, the bag used and the screens used, the machine you're using, the input, the duration, start pressure, end pressure, start temperature, end pressure, and in photo, notes. Really, really comprehensive Tur Files, guys. So if they have a big Tur file going,
Sure.
and a lot of recipes in there, nothing's going to happen to those, right?
No, those just stay there. We're just adding more data to them,
Yeah, yeah.
basically, is all we're doing, yeah.
All right, really great. That's amazing. That's everything I could dream for.
Yeah,
I
it
mean,
tracks everything that you're doing on the machine, pretty
Right.
much, yeah.
So if I line, say, 10 of these machines up, I could link them all together, and I don't need a hydraulic cable.
You don't, and they're
Or-
independently being controlled and make sure the
Okay.
pressure's right on every one of them. They
Right.
actually know that the construction
So
system-
actually, each one of them, you can ensure there's an exact surface area pressure to give
Yes.
you that extra yield and really quality.
Right.
Yeah, so that's exciting. Guys, introducing the NugSmasher Pro IQ and the NugSmasher IQ, 2 amazing machines that are completely automatic for your bubble extractions, your flour extractions, to decarb, to isolate. The machines are top notch. They're made in our factory right here, designed, developed right here in our factory in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. And we just love serving all of our customers and love the support that you guys give us out there. And we keep innovating and developing the brand, and we're just so excited to see these
Yeah.
results. So if you want to tie a bunch of machines together, you want big production, we can help you. If you're doing a big solventless extraction lab, give us a call. We have our whole washer series that's coming out, and that's really out. So give us a holler. You can read about that online. We'd love to quote a lab out for you and help you get going in the solventless rosin game. So, and making the very best and the largest return on investment, with things like Tur Files, so you can track exactly what you're doing. That's what it's about. It's about working real smart, gathering material and the data, and being able to get the biggest yield and the highest quality out of the lowest expense.
Yeah, of course.
So really, really good stuff. Guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell a friend. NugSmasher.com. Oh, before I go, right now, the 420 event is on NugSmasher.com. Go check it out. 420 event is on right now. Check it out, NugSmasher.com. Big savings. Hit us up on the chat. We can even save you a little more.